客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and here comes Lo Sirong与孤毛头 with a track that is perfect for this time of the year because summer is around the corner and the weather is heating up, and a refreshing song is exactly what we need. Lo Sirong, accompanied by the upbeat strumming of a guitar, sings the song called Sideways Heart, or cha-cha-ge心. The lyrics conjure up a lot of vivid imagery, including the season of summer, an orange cat, a moon shaped like a bird, and a soft rain falling at an angle on a rainy day. So let's take a listen to this really relaxing song by Lo Sirong, again called Sideways Heart.
天美味加美色嘅愛濃，很像一隻細美女向的遠方嘅思念。夏天年啊，像一隻調味，要麼點起等待玫瑰色嘅天空到來，落水天恰恰嘅心，恰恰嘅你嘅跳。落好水天啊，恰恰嘅心，落好水天啊，恰恰嘅夏天。
哇哦，好舒服的歌哦！这是由罗思容与孤毛头所带来的《恰恰给心》。尤其夏天已经靠近，那在这种炎热的天气来听一首凉爽的歌曲，非常的舒服。而在轻快的吉他声伴随下，罗思容唱着这首歌的歌词会出现非常多的画面，包括夏天、橘猫、像鸟的月牙，还有雨天飘落的斜斜细雨，就像是地球也是倾斜着转，仿佛有一股倾斜的力量，使万物持续前进，不会停歇哦。And you know what? This month, we're going to introduce more music from Lo Sirong and Gu Mao Tou, so I hope you'll have time to tune in to enjoy them. My name is Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.